Football is a special thing for me because it's fun, exciting. It's definitely made me more confident and it's made me a better team player with lots of things, not just football.
Starting off with the Tigers, that was the big break for me. Just instantly fell in love with it.
It's just that buzz of being on the pitch and taking part in such a great game.
Everybody from different backgrounds, religions, cultures get together. Everybody knows how to kick a ball. Simple.
We started off with a field, basically, with no support, and now we've got this lovely 3G pitch. You know, 26 teams, just everyone's welcome. And on match days, it's just really, really special to be part of.